Hello guys, welcome to EasyWay Energy. I'm Jason. Today I will introduce our best-selling model UNIV7600W low voltage lithium battery solution, which can be installed as wall-mounted and stacked. For each pack is 51.2 voltage and 150 ampere hour. They can be stacked as 61.4 kilowatt hour, and they can parallel max 16 modulus as 122.8 kilowatt hour. And look at this place. You can see each pack with negative and positive terminals, and this is the security breaker to ensure the safety. And this is communication interface. We support CAN bus and RS485. And this is SOC indicator and fault light. This place is delta code, and this is reset. Also the switch on the other side. This place. In stacked installation, the battery is with light to display the situation of the battery, like remaining power, photo indication, charge and discharge in situation. And other battery are with snap-on pins. And then you need to add a battery base to support them standing on the wall. You can push them anywhere you want easily. If you want to install them as wall mounted, just take the top battery and hang it on the wall. For this situation, we provide 10 years warranty, and we only use brand new grade A battery cells, and there is almost no after sales to our BMS. To learn more about our products, welcome to contact us. See you.